Today we're gonna do a muffler delete on this V6 Camaro. I'll show you the cold start here. It really don't sound much at all. You want it a little louder, so you can do a muffler delete. And we're gonna take it to the shop today and see what they can do, you know. It is an automatic. I'll tell you this, man, it's fun to drive for sure, because you can literally go full throttle and it's not gonna get squirmy on you. It's not gonna, like, you know, it's not dangerous. It's fun to step on it, because it's not, you don't worry about, you know, fishtailing or anything. It just goes because it just goes. It's not, doesn't have enough power to, you know, scare you, but it's really fun to drive, especially if you're on back roads. The automatic, it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be really bad at work. It shifts really slow and stuff like that, but it's pretty good. This is a 2011, so I'll take it to the shop, see how it sounds afterwards. I'll give you guys a clips of the before and after. Is the V6 worth it still? I feel like it is, if you're not, you know, too into modding the car's power, you know, headers, cam, stuff like that. Is there a difference between the V8 and the V6? Oh yeah, there's a whole, like, it's just there's no torque on here. There's no torque whatsoever. You don't feel the pushback. You don't, it's not the same. Is it fun? It's really fun. Like I said, you can go full throttle, you can stomp on it all the way, and you know it's not going to fishtail, you know it's not going to do any of that, and it's just it's gonna be a fun ride. And I checked on how much it has for miles per gallon. It's 21 miles per gallon. That's insane. That's crazy on a Camaro. Especially, I know he drives it pretty, like he beats it up, you know. So 21 and beating it up is pretty good. Maybe he's gonna get, you know, if he goes light and drives, you know, lightly and stuff like that, he could probably get anywhere from 25 to 30 miles a gallon on a highway. I think this is maybe an aftermarket exhaust that he has on there, like a very quiet version one, but it doesn't sound like stock. It definitely doesn't. You hear that? There you go. That's a good little pull. See? It doesn't sound stock. Shout out to Henderson Muffler. They've hooked me up before. I don't know if they're open yet, but I'm just gonna leave it here. It's so different. I've never driven an automatic Camaro. It's so weird and feels different. like I said, man, it doesn't sound stock. But we'll see what happens.
YouTube channel, so I try to put content up there whenever I can.
What's your YouTube?
Hey, which one you like better?
Well, that's an SS. But I don't
Oh,
know
okay,
who
okay,
that-
okay,
that
okay.
one is.
He's okay. Is this your kid?
Yeah.
Yeah. He knows what's up.
Oh yeah. Hey, start that thing up for him when we get.
Yeah, I got it. I got you. You like the cars?
Let me know when you're ready.
Good. Go ahead. That thing's loud, huh? Jeez. So even before we even told you about the car, what do you know about the car so far?
SS.
And
It has a camera.
cam, and then what else? You said it was a manual.
Yeah.
This dude knows everything.
Yeah.
All right, so after a little fun interaction with the kid that knows everything about cars, obviously his dad works here, muffler place. First thing was like, that's an SS. And then when I started it up, he's like, and it has a cam. And then he looked over, it's like, and it's a manual. That's pretty cool, man. My son's gonna be like that. All right, so let's get this V6 going, man. Pretty sure dude's gonna be happy because it sounds a lot louder and everything. But I'll catch you guys later, man. I'm just gonna do a little drive-by here. There's a Popo all the way over there. Don't worry about it, Popo. We're not going over there. We're going this way, cuz. Gotta wait for the traffic, man. But yeah, like I said, that was pretty cool, man. The kid knows a lot. So, like, brings a smile to your face. Oh, it's a lot louder. It's so much better. But I like my SS better. That's it, you guys. That's it for this video. And subscribe for more content. See you guys on the next video.